Hey, welcome back. Today is August 4th. On this post, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has actually just rebounded from its multi-day short-term trend there, has broken out of that generally bullish pattern I have talked about yesterday. Now let's take a look into the measured target again and see if anything has changed. Let's also see how this Bitcoin move could be affecting the altcoins as well. But as of right now, altcoins are bouncing back harder than Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is actually down. Ethereum is actually way ahead of the total altcoin market cap as a whole. Okay, so let's take a look into some of those charts and see where this price action could be going. If you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if you guys do want to support me and my channel directly, you guys can use any of my affiliate links below if you guys do find them helpful. I personally use Webull and TradingView myself. If you sign up with my Webull link below, you guys will get 2 free stocks. And I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. So I would truly appreciate that. Also, please do read my full disclaimer below before we begin. I am an altcoin trader myself. However, I am not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. You should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. I'm only sharing with you my speculations and opinions, and this market is extremely risky and volatile. So please do your own due diligence. Now let's go ahead and go to Bitcoin here on the 6-hour time frame was my focus because, as I have mentioned, that there was a falling wedge pattern here on this 6-hour time frame, and this falling wedge pattern has been in play for the past couple of days. Now the measured target out of this falling wedge pattern, which looks like the price action has broken out of as of about 3 candles ago, would give us a measured move of about 41.5K there, just right underneath it. Now, measured moves are theoretical targets, okay? Right now, the price action is right underneath that 6-hour 21 SMA, as well as the 12-hour 221 SMA. Now, these are some of the smaller moving averages that's right at the price action. It looks like if the price action does get above its measured move, then the next level of resistance I'm looking at here on this daily time frame would be the previous resistance that has prompted that falling wedge pattern, okay, which would be about 42.5K here. But the real critical range I'm looking at in terms of resistance is still where those major moving averages are, including the daily 200 SMA, the 3-day 50 SMA, and the 21 weekly SMA. Currently, they're all about that 45K range. So the daily 200 is at about the 44.7. 3-day 50, 45.3. And the weekly at about 44.5. So quite a bit of major moving averages and resistances in that range. And this is a range I'll be looking out for because I'll be looking for more of a confirmation and signal to see if this price action is going to be getting back on top of these major moving averages to go back on an uptrend, okay? Let's see if the price action can do that and make a better case for an uptrend there. And then the next level of range I'll be looking at will be the previous all-time high at about 60K. But first of all, price action does need to get back on top of some of these major moving averages to make a good case that this could be, to make more of a case that this could be going back on an uptrend. Now let's go over to Bitcoin dominance, which is down quite a bit today. The daily time frame here, more notably, I did say that there was a rising wedge pattern, which is generally a bearish pattern. However, bearish patterns and bearish trends for Bitcoin dominance is generally better for the altcoins because that means if Bitcoin pulls back, total altcoin market cap pulls back less. And if Bitcoin goes up, then the total altcoin market cap will be going up more than Bitcoin. Price action on this daily time frame did break below this daily 50 SMA here. The next level of key support I'm looking at would be the 3-day 21 SMA, currently at about 46%, measure move out of this rising wedge pattern would be about 41%, slightly below 41% there. That's the measure move and the theoretical target. Let's go over to Ethereum. Ethereum here on this weekly time frame was my focus as of my last week's post, and that's because price action did get back on top of a major moving average, which is the weekly 21 SMA. Even though it didn't get that engulfing candle as Bitcoin did on the monthly time frame, this would be a shorter time frame that I'm still looking at, which is still pretty indicative of a larger trend here. Okay, price action did get back on top of this weekly 21 SMA, and currently it's hitting resistance, which is a fib level at about that $2,700. If we actually do take a look into previous resistance here, it looks like the price action did take about 3 tries at this resistance. So just using this previous data here, if the price action does play out like it did before, however, if this time it does get over it, it could potentially take another week here to get on top of this weekly of this $2,700 resistance here, because it looks like it was pretty strong resistance previously, and this is on the weekly time frame. Now let's go over to total altcoin market cap, which is still bouncing back harder than Bitcoin as of right now. And total altcoin market cap here, if we actually do compare this chart with Ethereum, you guys can actually see a pretty similar chart as of late, at least. On this weekly time frame and the 3-day time frame, you guys can probably tell that there has been a falling wedge pattern. Okay, and both charts have broken out of this pattern. However, Ethereum is on top of this weekly 21 SMA. That means most of the other altcoins, or at least on an aggregate level, is still not on top of this weekly 21 SMA, lagging behind Ethereum. So this would be the chart I am looking at and still be following to see if this would make a pretty good case that the rest of the altcoins would be following suit with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay. Now, also want to point out one more thing, because I forgot to mention the measure target here for Ethereum. Okay. If we actually do take a look into the measure target here for Ethereum, let's just take a conservative target and not take into consideration of any wicks that's below and above the pattern. That would give me a measure target here, adjusted for this breakout point, a measured target of about 4,200. That would be the measured move for Ethereum. That's a theoretical target. So this is what I'm looking out for, seeing how Bitcoin could potentially affect the other altcoins, and if the altcoins would be following suit with Ethereum. And this is my very short update for today. I will be updating as more data comes in. And I hope you guys found this helpful. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you guys did, and I will see you next time.